Good evening, students. Sorry for getting late. As I told you that I will start the lesson at 7:30 p.m. but due to net problem I could not start the lesson at proper time. So sorry. Okay, let's start the lesson. Now we will discuss articles. So articles, I think all of you got this chapter in the previous class. I mean in class 5. Here we will discuss types of article and uses of articles. So before start the uses of article, let's see the definition of article. Here is the definition of articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Let's take an example to understand very easily. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. So in this sentence, I mean in this example, consider the following example. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. I think all of you understood. Okay. Next, types of articles. We know that articles are of two types, that are definite and indefinite articles. So A and N are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. So today we will discuss only definite article, that is the. Here we will try to learn uses of the, that means where we use the. Okay, we use the article before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and groups of island. For example, the Ganga, the Arabian, the Himalayas, etc. We also use the articles when refers to a particular person or thing, when refers to a person or thing for the second time. We also used the article when refers to a group or class that someone or something belongs to, etc. We also used the article when talking about one particular person or thing, as for example the principal. We also used the article for specific things in our solar system, like the sun rises in the east, the earth, the moon, etc. We also used before the name of trains, boats, aeroplanes. That means we used the article before the name of what, holy books. We used the article before the names of newspaper. We also used the article before the names of well-known building, as for example the Taj Mahal, etc. I will send you uses of the article notes. Okay.